Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coins and Stamps to Watch. Now we have another unboxing today and I know this is gonna be interesting ones. So see what they are. Right. Some auctions I've been winning is mostly $1 auctions. So some 99 cents start. So all right, these are very interesting coins. See that? And yep, this one is where I bought these coins or won these coins, and they're dealers of coins, and they always like every month they do auctions. Most of them are $1 auctions, and now these are nice ones. I know you like this one, so we'll start with this one now. Start with this. So this one is a very lovely coin from uh, Spain. It is 1870 10 cent or 1 cent. Yep, 10 cent. See, it's from Spain, 10 cent, and from 1870. It looks like uncirculated, or although it's it's a bit dirty though, or it's a very nice. You see, very detailed, very nice. King Alfonso XII, por la gracia de Dios, or by the grace of God, for the by the grace of God, I think 1879. And we can see here the uh, Spain's shield, Rey Cons de España. It's like King of Spain, and below the valued 10 cent. Nice lovely coin from Spain. Now we'll see the other ones. So take a look at this one first. So this one is a very old coin. Oh, I better remove it. It's I don't have a good lighting. I should I should get a new lighting for my setup. But yeah. So this one is an old coin. It's an ancient coin, and this is a coin of uh, take a guess. But if you watch the movie Gladiator, you probably know this. This is a coin of Commodus. So yes, Commodus is an emperor back in the Roman Empire, and see the lovely coin. They have a very nice. You can clearly see the face of Commodus. Very nice coin. Right. Oops. And this one is another interesting one. It's a very old coin as well. It's composed of silver. Commodus is also composed of silver. Now this one, you see, this one is a lovely one as well, and it's Emperor Napoleon himself. Emperor Napoleon of France. And this is 5 francs, I think. Yes, 5 francs from 1813. Empire Francaise, or French Empire, 5 francs. And we can see the date below 1813 and the mid mark age. I think it's from La Rochelle, mint in France. It's a low vintage as well. So It is yeah, you wouldn't just find it on the corner or something. It's a low vintage coin, so it's silver, and it's Emperor Napoleon himself. See, you can still see the face. See, lovely. It's very rare that this comes on our way here. Very lovely, right? So we have Komodo's silver one, and of course the King of Spain. So very lovely coins. Uh, wow. All right. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a good day.